Hi Cancer, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Cancers, for your general energies, career situation and relationship, guys. We are picking few cards, Cancers. This is for your moon energies and this for your love guidance, Cancer. And I have a pick a card love reading right after this general guidance. So if you are interested, you can watch that reading, guys. So let's see what is this card. Cancers, for your circumstances today, maybe your career or your personal life. It's chaos and conflict. So in your life today, maybe you feel that there is a lot of tension, conflicts, confusion in your circumstances, something not right, something going against your desires, and you may feel turbulent, don't know where things will go or what will happen. But this is the time, because of a lot of changes happening, lot of conflicts going on emotionally and spiritually. You are changing so much, guys. You may find yourself at cross purpose with someone you know. Maybe this may be the person you love. So as you go on, guys, as these conflicting times come to an end, you see a reordering of things. So whatever was not working for you will leave you. And today you should not be eager to fight your circumstances, go against it, but you must be aware, try to understand what you truly need or what should be done in your circumstances. And stubbornness is the reason for the state of opposition, guys, you see today. So this may be the time in your relationship also to learn about yourself, to learn about this other person, learn about your values and what is truly important to you. Maybe some things are not negotiable. If that is true, it is not necessary to fight. So can you find a way away from these conflicting times? Maybe you are arguing with your person and even they are arguing with you, and situation is tense with a lot of emotions. So maybe till everything cools down, till everything gets back to normal, you can take a break, stay away, wait for the air to clear. So things may become enlightened once again, better than before, guys. So with these arguments, maybe you will know what is there in their heart, what is the truth, and you will come to a better understanding of this person. Same way in your work situation also, guys. Cancers, you may see that circumstances are chaotic, something not working, but you can be assured that it is that divine purpose in this chaos. So everything that is not working for you, working to benefit you, is being taken away from you. And so what is better and what will be much better will come towards you. And you will know, maybe today you may not understand these changes happening, but you will know that these events are happening, pushing you towards that ultimate prosperity in your work situation, guys, Cancers. So for your moon energy, look at the bigger picture. Full moon in Sagittarius. So maybe today the reason for these troubles, maybe you are thinking too much and thinking too much from your point of view. But maybe today you need to think about anything with clarity. Take a step back and think of it from a different perspective. Look at the bigger picture. So, what is the most positive thing you can see about your present situation that is going to give you that balance and harmony? So, no matter what you see, there may be some difficulties, worries, lot of pain involved today in these circumstances. But when you count your blessings, even if you don't have what you exactly want, when you count your blessings, you are going to keep your mind open for that surprise universe is going to give you today, guys. So whatever comes, it's going to be a surprise for you today, Cancers. And uncertainty is the way of life, guys. Cancers, you need to understand that. So you must be confident and you will definitely win. That is what I see, guys. So for your love energies, love guidance today, guys. Evolution. So with this card, it just means that whatever circumstances we face in our life, such an apt card, guys, for you all today. So all these cards speak of a story, Cancers. Maybe it may be your story. You are going through a lot. You are facing a lot of circumstances. Some of you may have maybe on a higher ground, seeing your situation as a blessing in disguise, learning from these chaotic times. But for some of you who are in the middle of these circumstances, you are worried, stressed, maybe in a lot of pain. But you should not lose heart today, guys, because these obstacles or chaos, conflicts, whatever you see in your circumstances, are just here to teach you the lessons, valuable lessons. So your soul evolves into a higher person, higher being. So these are just opportunities to understand and utilize love in everything you do. Do everything, do all your actions with love. So that is the only reason we are here, guys. We are here on this earth just to evolve ourselves, to grow ourselves spiritually. And it is difficult to grow without stepping outside our comfort zone. So that is where our faith and hope will be tested. And finally, everything works for something good for us. We need to understand that. So we are here just to evolve spiritually, guys. That is the only reason we are here. So all these troubles, our problems, are just warming up our soul, pushing us towards something great, to be someone great. So that is the energy, guys. Cancers with these cards. That is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, stay tuned for the Pick a Card Love reading that is coming up right now, Cancers. For your Pick a Card Love reading today, guys, we have 2 cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start with the first card. I will keep the second card aside. So we will see what is the card for you all. It says the Wild Swans, dedication. So in your circumstances today, maybe in your life, in your personal life, or maybe in your work situation. You are doing a lot, maybe going through a lot for someone you love. Maybe you have sacrificed so much and you have faced your circumstances with that brave heart. And there is no one who knows that extent of your sacrifice, or the extent you have gone through that pain and stress, worries for this person you love. And you have never told anyone about this uh, work you are doing. Maybe you are dedicated to something, that one pointed focus, just like a great scientist or great minds work with that passion to discover something. So you are doing something really passionate with that level of commitment, concentration, dedication, and that you are doing for someone you love. You are going out of the way to do that work. You need not worry, guys, because whatever we do with this level of dedication will never go for waste. So there will come a time when people will appreciate you, people you love, they will understand you, understand your passion. And though it may be perceived as madness today, something that need not be done, and even people may uh, be really hostile towards you, but this passionate action on your part, or it may be someone in your life, they are going for that. So whatever it is, it will result in healing and great breakthroughs in your circumstances, guys. So that is the energy with this card, guys. So maybe today your sacrifice has no value, or there are no people to understand you, but there will come a time when people will appreciate your efforts, people will appreciate your courage and that focus you have, dedication you had today. So that is the energy, guys, with this card. So let's see what is the second card. I will keep this card aside. So for those who chose this second card, it says Sleeping Beauty, awakening. So in your circumstances, maybe whatever you are facing right now, it may be because of people keeping you away from some information, maybe some awareness. It may be something of someone's doing, maybe someone close to you. It may be a family member, or it may be even your person who loves you. So they are trying to keep away some truth because they feel that you may hurt yourself or you may worry yourself, and by doing that they are creating a very bad situation for you, because you do not know the truth and you don't know what you should or what you should not do, because you lack clarity. So this lack of clarity may be because of some people, because they are keeping something, some kind of an vital information from you, and that is the reason you may not be able to overcome some difficult circumstances in your life, maybe in your relationship or maybe in your work situation. These circumstances may be, guys, but very soon you will be able to overcome these challenges and you will know the truth, whatever you need to know. And when you know the truth, all the people around you, even they will realize their mistake, what has happened, and everyone will awaken. There is some kind of great emotional change coming up in your circumstances, guys. So time will tell you the truth today. That is what I see with this card, guys. So that is the reading for you all today, guys. Thank you for watching. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.